The impact of childhood experiences on adult behavior. Childhood experiences can have a profound impact on our adult behavior. From our earliest years, we're shaped by the people and events around us. But have you ever wondered how these experiences affect us later in life? In this video, we'll explore the impact of childhood experiences on adult behavior. Childhood experiences can have both positive and negative effects on our adult behavior. Positive experiences, such as a supportive family or a nurturing environment, can help us develop healthy coping mechanisms and positive social skills. Negative experiences, such as abuse or neglect, can have long-lasting effects on our mental and physical health. For example, let's say you grew up in a household where there was a lot of conflict and tension. As a result, you may have developed coping mechanisms such as avoidance or aggression. These coping mechanisms may have helped you survive in that environment, but they may not be as effective in other situations. Another way to think about the impact of childhood experiences is to imagine a tree. Our childhood experiences are like the roots of the tree, shaping our development and growth. As we grow older, we may branch out in different directions, but our roots continue to influence our behavior and choices. There are many different types of childhood experiences that can impact our adult behavior, including family dynamics, peer relationships, and traumatic events. Family dynamics, such as parental divorce or a parent with a mental illness, can have a significant impact on our development. Peer relationships, such as bullying or social isolation, can also have long-lasting effects. Traumatic events, such as abuse or neglect, can have a profound impact on our mental and physical health. The long-term effects of childhood experiences can vary depending on the individual and the nature of the experience. Some people may develop mental health issues such as anxiety or depression, while others may struggle with substance abuse or relationship problems. It's important to note that childhood experiences don't have to define our adult behavior. With the right support and resources, it's possible to break the cycle of negative experiences and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Childhood experiences can have a profound impact on our adult behavior. By understanding the ways in which our childhood experiences shape us, we can begin to make sense of our behavior and make positive changes. Whether we had positive or negative experiences in childhood, it's never too late to seek help and support to overcome any challenges we may face. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on psychology and personal development. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.